Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Experiments. Today I have a really fun and easy tutorial for you guys on how to make a simple and cute headband. It's really easy and it's super fun to do, especially when you're bored. Without further ado, let's get started. So what you'll be needing for this tutorial are 16 looms. I have 8 pink looms and 8 white looms. This way it's going to be a pink and white headband, and I think that it's going to be super cute. So without further ado, come on, let's get started. Okay, so come on, let's get started. You're going to take your loom and place it on your pointer finger. You're going to twist it and then put it on your middle finger. You're going to twist it again. You put it on your ring finger and again and on your last finger. You then do the same thing but with your different color loom. You twist it and then on your last finger. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bottom loom, for me it's white, and then I'm gonna put it over, and I'm gonna do that with every finger. Look. There. Now I'm gonna repeat that with the white string. So now I'm gonna put a white string again. I'm gonna twist it, twist it, twist it. Then I'm gonna go over with the pink string. There, it's that simple. Just repeat this step about 16 more times and then you'll have your headband ready. Okay, I'm now done with my headband. This is the result. This is what's supposed to happen. And now what I'm gonna do is to make a knot, I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna take this, put this here. So now all of it is on one finger. I chose my middle finger because it'll be easier. Now I'm going to take this off, and now you're going to try to make a knot with this. Okay, you're making a knot. And there. There it is on how to make a headband. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe and comment down what we should do next. Stay safe and have a good day. Bye.